STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura is located in the center of the Karangasem Regency, to be precise on Ngurah Rai Street, number 35, Amlapura.
STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura has 4 study programs. The first is Bachelor of Hinduism Education. The second is Bachelor of Primary Education. The third is Bachelor of Balinese Language Education. And the fourth is Bachelor of English Education.
The reason why you should choose STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura is because the first one, STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura, is the only one bachelor college in Karangasem Regency. The second one is because STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura provides many scholarships. The third one is because STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura has many qualified lecturers. And the last one is because STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura has already accredited B. STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura provide many scholarships such as Skip Kuliah Scholarship, UKT Scholarship, Merit Scholarship, and free education fees for traditional village operators.
STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura provides various facilities such as a library with complete and convenient number of libraries for studying and reading, meeting hall, a lecture building with free Wi-Fi and IT facilities, and location strategy.